I figured I'd take everybody out on a day running around town, doing my thing, and shooting cars out in the wild. Today is a little bit of an impromptu vlog, but my buddy Ethan over at Zotic Rentals asked me if I wanted to take out a BMW i8 for the day, and you can't really say no to that. So here we are in the Beamer. I've had it for a couple hours, it's pretty fun. Just knocked out my errands for the day and actually got my first video. Super clean, slammed 9th gen Civic. So I came across this really clean, slammed 9th gen Civic. I loved the styling on this thing. Great wheel choice, great fitment. I talked to the owner, she was super chill, was very appreciative of the pics. This is my first time doing the lab in the i8. It was kind of weird. I was still trying to figure it out here, but I got into the flow of things as the day went on. So here are the pics. And I just finished out a little leg workout at the gym. So there's always cool cars at the gym, so I figured I would bang out a couple before heading to lunch. We'll see what we can find in the parking lot today. So up next is this nasty slammed Audi wagon. I think it's a all-road. Very nice fitment. I love the color. I love the little chrome accents that the owner kept. Yeah, I'm super glad I came across this thing in the gym parking lot. You can see I kind of changed up my mobile lab here in the i8. Little cramped, not exactly a Honda Pilot by any means, but we're starting to make it work here. I've got something for you.
Thanks.
It's really sick. I love it, man. There it is. And then a couple cars down, this awesome old square body Suburban. Gotta love the old Suburbans. This thing had a nice fitment, proper stance, and luckily I actually ran into the owner, so that is a win. First 3 videos, success. Now it's time to go to lunch. Picking up the GF. I'm gonna flex this thing, pulling up right to the front door. It's open.
How do you get in this? Are you serious? Super dramatic.
It is dramatic. It's fun though.
This is ridiculous, sir.
I know, it's great.
Can I sit on it?
Lunch break. Car number 4 for the day. We got a beautiful Land Cruiser in brown. In case you were wondering what I do the POV with, nothing fancy. Just my nerdy Amazon chest mount and my phone. iPhone 11 Pro, nothing crazy. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. This one was definitely one of my favorites from the day. Absolutely beautiful brown Land Cruiser. I love the 60 series, probably my favorite generation, either the 60 or the 80. And this one was spec'd out very nicely. Back to the lab, everything is looking good. I'm starting to get into a bit of a flow here with the i8 mobile lab. And this is one of my absolute favorite Toyota photos. I love the yo. The lights are blocking the other letters. I think it just looks sick. All right, everybody, we're on to car number 5. Number 15. Got some photos of the whip.
Word. Thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Mine, but I appreciate it. Fucking sick. Thanks, dog.
Yeah, no problem. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
This is a pretty funny one. Glad I ran into that dude. He was not stealing the Miata. I think he was just moving it, and it was his roommate's car. But yeah, the Miata was nothing crazy, just a fun little car, and the fall foliage made it kind of pop, so I pulled over and grabbed some pics. And these turned out all right. Not super stoked on how they turned out, but we'll live with it. The dude seemed stoked, so that is a W. All right, gang, we're on the car number 6, which is actually a van. So this was a pretty fun one. Had a pretty good interaction with the owner. He came out, he was really confused why I was taking pictures of his old crappy van. But I explained to him, you know, it's all love. I love the old stuff and the weird crap and basically the shit boxes. So he loved it. He told me to drop the photos off in the mailbox, and I did. And I kind of liked how these turned out. Car number 7 for the day. Coming in clutch. The Genesis Coupe. I have not done one of these yet. Don't see too many of these around here. This one's cool. Let's do it. This one has got to be my favorite from the whole day. I never see Genesis Coupes, and especially never like this clean that are modified in my neighborhood. And the lighting was just so perfect. The color of the car and the grass and everything just kind of lined up. So I'm really stoked how these turned out. And this video actually kind of popped off on Instagram, at least. Got almost 1 million views. So I'm super stoked about that. Met the owner, super nice dude. And he was very happy about the pics too. So this one was another dub. All right, we're moving on to car number 8, which is, I think, the most that I've done in one day. Kind of tired. But we got a TTRS back there. I don't really see those that often, so sick. This is my last one of the day. Very tired at this point. Pretty much exhausted, and it was kind of like a whim. Oh shit. Kind of cool setting with the leaves and everything, but the photos were kind of turning out garbage. So I didn't think I really had anything. But after the edit, it actually turned out to be pretty good. The framing with the leaves turned out to be kind of the move, and photos were decent. Not too upset about those. Also, the TTRS is such a sick car. I would love to own one of these. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching. That about does it for this video. I'll probably start doing more of these like long form commentary type videos. So if you liked it, please let me know in the comments. Bang a like, subscribe, do whatever. Thanks for watching, and if you made it this far, I have a 10-pack of Lightroom presets available now. I will leave a link to that, and you can just go and download those for free. So grab yourself some free presets. Let me know if you like the presets, if you like the video. Thanks for watching.